How to split video clips in Reelshot. Need to break a clip into parts? Here's how to split video clips in Reelshot on your iPhone. Start by creating a project and importing your video. Once loaded, tap the timeline where you want to split the clip. Look for the split option that appears above the timeline and tap on it. Your video will now be divided into two separate clips, which you can edit independently. You can repeat this process to split the video into more segments. Do you split clips to rearrange or delete parts? Let us know in the comments below. Use split combined with delete to quickly remove middle sections of the video. And that's how you can split video clips in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.